Well, this is the place we found. It's an adventure. It's an adventure, all right? We're going on an adventure.
Oh my God.
Well, it's in the middle of nowhere, but we found it somehow. How'd you find this? Don't worry, I don't know how we found you. Let's go in, Mom. In the porch. Okay, this is the shrimp and with beans, and this is the rockfish with the stuffed crab meat. So what's the name of this place, Heather? Well, anyway, they have the rockfish. It's $21. So I think I'm gonna get the rockfish stuffed with crab meat. Yeah, crab meat stuffed. It's like the scene in the living room. Like you're in the living room. So we left this restaurant, this old-time house, which the crab cakes were delicious. The rockfish was good. Parking lot is small.